Yo! Where's Ishan though? Where is Ishan? So everybody, in this video I am basically going with, well, no what? I'm gonna restart that. So everyone, in this part of the video, me and Ishan are gonna go and pick up some new alloys for the 6 Series. Yeah, so I found some new alloys on eBay and it's been chaotic to say the least to find these alloys, but managed to find them now and literally gonna go pick them up. Today's just been so much mileage already. I've already done 200 and something odd miles. Now I'm about to do another 100 and something, I don't know, 100, maybe another 200 miles or so. So yeah, where is Ishan? He's taking forever to get out of his house. I called him like literally a few minutes ago being like, yeah, I'm about to be outside your house now. And yeah, he hasn't decided to turn up. That's why he's late. He's a real MVP, people. He's a real MVP. Look at him. Mama. Yo! Road trip time.
Time to go buy the repairs for the mistakes.
Oh, that's cold.
Oh, you recorded? Oh shit, my bad, bro. Whoops, edit that out.
He knows I want to edit that out. So people, we're in Swindon now. Let's just say, I don't think these burgers better be good. So he was like,
okay. First of all, we were looking for Doner burger, right? It's not under the burger list, but it's under the kebabs list as doner in bun. Second of all, £4.50 for a doner in the bun with no chips, with no drink. You go, it's chips with it. Normally some people are like, yeah, chips but no drink. Oh, okay. No, you gotta order the chips separately. That's another £2.20 on the chips.
literally,
well,
£2.20.
20p extra as well to have cheese. Hey.
Yeah. So basically you're looking at how much was it? So £4.50 plus £2.20 for the chips, so that's £6.60.
And 20p for the cheese, £6.90.
£6.60 to £6.90 with 20p.
£6.80.
So okay.
£6.80
So
for
let's
a
just
doner
round it
burger
up.
meal.
£7 for a doner burger meal, burger.
And we get that in Birmingham for £2.30 with a drink.
Okay, let's just say Swindon, you royally know how to rip people off.
And
there is no way.
Large portion of chips.
Okay, hold on. Let's just do these burgers. Let's do this. I know there's a car next to us that's looking at us, probably thinking these guys are crazy. Yeah, this burger, £1/4 burger.
It's like £4 basically, nearly.
Basically, yeah, £4. £4 for a burger, people.
It's a quarter pounder.
Quarter pound. It should be 25p.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this is
25p.
Yeah, £3.50 just for the burger, 20p extra for cheese.
The majority.
So we had to pay. Yeah, literally the whole thing is just salad. We should have said no tomato, but I wanted to get my money's worth. Even though he's not gonna have the tomato, I'm not gonna have the tomato. Bruv! This is like the most expensive food I've ever had.
I'll go.
He actually was tempted. He was like, bro, let's just leave the food.
I was saying
let's
to
just go.
Gali, listen, you sure you want to buy anything from me? I don't mind not eating.
I don't want to go in there and be like, nah, I can't afford Swindon food.
Nah, it's
But,
not really nice.
nah, this is just dumb. This is just dumb.
Give man's money for free?
Yeah, like 20p for cheese. 20p, that's literally like 2p. They've got a 2000% markup on that.
It's not like they're paying double compared to Birmingham stock.
This is just jokes. Right, we're gonna try and
Show the salad.
look how much salad there is.
That's all the salad.
That's all. Like, where's the burger? Right, okay, we're gonna look at.
It's just salad, bro. Just put the salad on the side for us. Like, this is now thinning up burger.
This still like.
I don't want all the salad. I want a burger.
I want meat, not
Right,
grass.
so yeah, we're gonna try and enjoy this burger now. I paid for it.
Because
so
the guy that is selling the alloys decides to
be late.
not come on time.
So yeah, it is what it is. Right. Let's yeah. Enjoy your food, bro. Right, so back home now. I'm gonna about to watch some TV, go to sleep. This is where I am right now. It's on a thinking, what about that colour for my car? For the alloys. might look alright. And my alloys are just getting done over here. Just over there. Getting done. My old one's just there. Yeah, just the wagon still doing me good. So this is literally where I came right now. They're open on a Sunday, which is helpful for me, so I can get everything done. Right. Got the new, well, the old tire on the new wheel in the back. Ta-da. I'm not sure if I should keep them black now and get rid of the silver. I'm really not sure what colour to go for. So back in the garage now, and that's the new alloy. Ta-da! I'm gonna put this on for the time being. I know it's black and the rest of them are silver, but it's gonna be interesting to see how this looks against the car. Because obviously I've got some black bits like the front splitter and stuff, and I actually think it might look okay. So if everything goes to plan, I don't know, might keep black, might change the rear ones to black, might change this one to silver again. I have no idea. I might even change it completely of a different color and do all four in a different color. Literally, just kind of see how it goes for the time being. So better get started on fitting this back on now. Okay, there you go. That's the wheel back on. I kind of not sure how I feel about this now. It's interesting. Very interesting. I want to see how it looks once it's lowered down now. So I gotta get the jack back under. But at the moment, the black on black with the black trim, if I had black kidney grills, that could look okay. But I'm still not 100% sold on being the typical kind of person who has black alloys all the time. Because, let's face it, everyone always ends up doing black alloys on cars, so it's kind of the reason why I'm trying to avoid that right now. But I don't know, I kind of think it's alright. I'm gonna kind of, hold on, there you go. I'm gonna kind of leave it up to what other people's opinions are, and if I should keep these as black or if I should make them into a different color, or make it silver, make it another, like, I'm kind of, oh, it's really windy outside. I'm thinking maybe like anthracite. I think that's how you say the name of it. Yeah, anthracite's kind of one that I'm kind of thinking, yo, on the silver car, that might look okay. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Jack the car back down now. So what does everyone think? Black alloys? Or silver slash chrome lip? Looking at the damage on the old one, there is a massive crack just along there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's where a lot of the fun happened at first. That's obviously caused this bit to crack. This is actually like a chrome tin kind of feel to it. Interesting. Does look interesting with black alloys. Right, time to get the car out of the garage, take it for a test drive, make sure everything's okay. Right, so good news everyone, and it's really weird good news. Basically, it's a brilliant thing that I bought 4 alloys, because I think my front left one's also buckled. As I went to drive it out of the garage, I could hear it grinding on the shock again, and I was like, hold on a second, that doesn't feel like it's coming from the front left. It feels like it's coming from the front right. So now I'm gonna take this one off, assess everything there, check the shock and everything like that, and then basically possibly look at changing the tyre from this onto one of my other wheels. So right, let's time to jack this part up again. So I already got the car back into position. Ah, damn it, I need to undo the bolts and everything first. Let me do that. As I had predicted, yeah, that's been getting some nice action against the shock. So, okay, I didn't predict this originally. I thought the other wheel took all the damage, but it looks like this one's taken a lot of it too. I don't think this tyre is going to be one I can save, but who knows. I'm going to take it to the tyre guys and get them to inspect it all. Right, let's head out to the Mitsubishi. Right, let's try round 2 with taking the car out for a test drive. Right, cameraman is on. Right, turn the car on, get it nice and fruity. Yep, Bluetooth is connected. Right, test drive time. Get my butt warmer on. Right, so it's gonna be interesting. Oh, I've missed driving it. Off the bat, it feels pretty good actually. Steering wheel feels straight while I'm going straight, which is always important when it comes to messing your tires up. I'm not sure if this is perfectly straight, by the way, so excuse me if the camera looks a little bit like I'm leaning forward or something, or yeah, it looks like I'm leaning slightly forward. Let me see if I can park up and fix that real quick. Right, I think that's straight. Right, so continuing the test drive. It's going to be interesting because if the car does drive fine, it gives me a little bit less to worry about in a sense of the alignment. Yeah, you know what? This car drives fine right now. It's feels good. Feels good, yo. So this is going to be interesting to see what the car looks like from the outside. You know what? I could just go and park in there. Right, I'm gonna go and park up somewhere and show you guys what the car looks like from the outside right now. You know what? I'm quite impressed with the camera mount so far. You know, it looks like it's being quite strong, sticking with me, so I'm happy with that. I'm surprised that the alloy wheels took all of that damage and not anything else in the car. I hope this has been focused on me this whole time, because if the focus has been off, then that's gonna be really annoying. And so I'm rocking around a lot. That's how the car looks right now. I'll be honest, I prefer it with the silver alloys at the moment. I think it would look better if the back ones were black and it wasn't black and silver. Black would look a little bit better, but I think the silver just pops way more. But right, that's this video basically wrapped up. I'm still gonna do a little bit more work to that car, obviously getting the alloys resprayed, gonna spray up those little bits on the shocks as well. We'll clean them up and paint over them so they don't get rusty from there. And then just gonna carry on with the 30 stuff. So I've got a couple of things I'm doing to the 30 right now, so it's gonna be a video coming up about that pretty soon. But for now guys, I'm gonna sign off this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit like, subscribe, you know the usual drill. Share it if you want to with anyone else that you think could benefit from seeing this, because I don't want to crash. Oh, and while I'm getting back into the car, I might as well tell you guys, I'm waiting to get some footage from someone that basically did see the accident. If they get me the footage, then I'll upload that. Right? Signing out guys, peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video.